everyone, welcome back, and to all those who are new to my channel, welcome. This is Shirin. So I went to Zara a few days back and I saw something like this which costed about $16.39 or $16.99. I don't remember the exact price, and I thought, why not to do it yourself, because that looked very easy. So I converted my old sweatshirt into a cold shoulder lace top, which looks very cute after wearing, as you can already see it. It is a no-sew DIY, and you just need a pair of scissors, old sweatshirt, and 1 to 1.5 meters of lace, which cost about 30 rupees per meter. Again, that is very reasonable and it saves a lot of money when you do things yourself. You can use a hot glue gun or fabric glue, but I personally prefer using hot glue gun because it is much more faster and it dries up quickly. And if you are very comfortable with sewing it, go ahead, and if you sew the lace, it is going to last you for years. So before I start with today's video, if you are someone watching my video for the first time, it would be great if you join my YouTube family by subscribing to it, and give this video a big thumbs up after watching it if you really like it. And all my social media links will be mentioned in the description box below and here as well, so we can connect there too. So let's begin with today's video. So you need an old sweatshirt or a t-shirt, 1 or 1.5 meters of lace, hot glue gun or fabric glue, a pair of scissors, chalk or marker, and an inch tape. So first of all, I'm measuring 3 inches from the neck. Then there are 2 other lines that are supposed to be made, one in the middle, which is for about 6 inches, and the other one at the end, which is for about 8 inches. After measuring both the points, I repeat, inner one for about 6 inches and the outer one for 8 inches. I am joining both the points. Now I'm repeating these steps on the other side as well, and this is how it is supposed to be cut. After cutting out the shoulders, you get a cold shoulder top. It's up to you if you want to put up a lace or not. If you want a simple off-shoulder top, you can leave it like this too. So to put up a lace, I am using my hot glue gun, and over it I'm going to place my lace. I personally prefer using hot glue gun because it dries up very quickly, but if you have fabric glue with you, you are most welcome to use it. But the difference is that it takes 10 minutes to dry up. So putting up a lace is a very interesting task. You just have to be very careful with the measurements and the way you are putting it, the directions and all. And make sure you apply it on the back side as well. So that's it guys, it was such a fun task to do. I really love how it came out to be, and if you recreate it, make sure you share it with me on my social media. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.